This family never helped their mom until one day she was gone.
Max? Mia, breakfast is ready. Please come and eat.
Coming, Mom. Just finishing my game.
1 second, Mom. I'm watching my show.
I made pancakes for everyone. Again, alone. Max, can you please take out the trash?
Not now, Mom. I'm busy.
Mia, can you help me fold the laundry?
Later, Mom. I'm playing with my dolls.
Ella, have you seen my blue shirt?
It's in the closet, Jack. I ironed it this morning. Mia's homework?
Snacks! Snacks!
What's for dinner?
One thing at a time. And no one even notices. Cooking, cleaning, laundry. I haven't sat down all day.
Mom, where's my dinner? Mom, I need my shoes cleaned for tomorrow.
Ella, did you pick up my dry cleaning?
Does anyone see how tired I am? I asked for help this morning. No one listened.
Sorry. Mom, I was busy with my game.
I was busy too, Mom.
I am always busy too, but I still help everyone.
Ella, is something wrong?
I need a break. I need everyone to help, not just me. Maybe if I'm gone for a few days, they'll understand.
Dad! Mom's not in the kitchen.
There's no breakfast on the table.
I've gone to Grandma's for a few days. I need some rest. Love, Mom.
Mom left? Is this because of us?
Dad, where are my clean clothes?
Dad, I'm hungry. What's for breakfast?
I don't know how Mom does all this every day.
I didn't know it was this hard.
I miss Mom. I want her to come back.
Kids, I think we all took Mom for granted.
Yes, Dad. She does so much, and we never say thank you.
We never help her either.
Let's call her and ask her to come home. and let's show her we've changed.
This isn't so bad. I got this. 1, 2, 3, all set for everyone.
Smells good. Ella's gonna be proud of us.
I'm home!
Mom, I cleaned my room and did the dishes.
I folded the laundry, Mom. I wanted to help.
Ella, welcome home. We are so sorry. We will all help you from now on.
Thank you, everyone. This means so much to me.
We love you, Mom.
Never forget to appreciate the people who take care of you every day. If this story touched your heart, hit subscribe. Tell me in the comments, what's one thing you do for your family that no one notices?